Welcome. When you see this video, you know this message is meant for you for today. Today's tarot reading, I want to focus on the week ahead, what you can look forward to, what you have to look out for. This reading is just going to be for the week ahead. That's why these cards are already picked out because the assortment that I go through, the sorting process takes way too long for camera. So, first card that we receive is the Six of Pentacles in reverse, symbolizing that we are not balanced. Right now, in this week, we are finding a challenge that is going to either unbalance us from our day to day lives. As I was saying, there's this annoying motorcycle guy just drove by, which emphasizes the instability that we will be receiving this week. But it's a challenge that we should look forward to. It's a challenge that we should take on without any negative thoughts attached to it. The Two of Wands. I feel, look out, look out. There is excitement waiting for you. Even with a non-balanced, out of balanced obstacle challenge coming for us, it is excitement that is also presenting itself. You are now being presented with an opportunity for some excitement in your life. Whatever form this could be, it will be for you. It would be specially designed for you. It will be a great achievement for you to reach. Third card, Five of Cups. I feel focus more on what you can gain from this experience rather than focusing on what you will lose from this experience. I have a very, very strong belief that to make space for greatness to come back into your life, we have to make space. You cannot fill up if your cup is already filled to the brim. You have to let go of this toxicity, negative fluids that's in your cup so that you can make space for crystal clear, healthy water to come back into your cup so that it can overflow with newness. Last week I did a tarot reading with the special tarot readings with the card renewal. This is the example of renewal, this example of a new you that is coming out for this week. The Two of Cups in reverse. Yes, you decide your own destiny. You decide what you are going to do rather than what society, your culture, your religion, your belief system, family, friends is going to decide for you. If you decide this person, this thing, this hobby that I'm doing isn't going to be a part of your life anymore, cut it out. Take the scissors and cut the cord yourself. Or if you want to let go of it in a more gentle way, take candles, burn the rope with a candle flame, because then it will be a much smoother release back into a greater understanding of your life. The Knight of Cups in reverse. Do not just hold on to the emotions. Hold on to what could have been and what should have been. If you are holding on to a toxic relationship, it will always be a toxic relationship. In today's times, I don't believe that there is a thing as you can change for this person. You should never change for a person. You should change for yourself and the two people that you want to impress the most is younger you and the more mature version of you, the mother, the maiden, and the crone. This is you all in together. You are now living in the present. You are now given this opportunity in the present to go forward and to improve rather than going back in the past. The past is in the past. The future is what you have to hold on to. That's the two of wands there. Now, this card is making much, much more sense to me. Ten of Swords, tough times. It is going to be difficult. No one said it will be fun. No one said it will be easy. If it was easy, everybody would have done it already. But now you are being tested by the universe so that the universe within inside of you can expand. You are now sitting with an opportunity for a sunrise to come back into your life. With every darkness, there is a sunrise waiting to explode from within yourself so that it's no longer internalized, but it's externalized. Last card, Page of Cups. Expect the unexpected. Your happiness will come back to you in multiples. Your happiness will come back to you in greater amounts. This is the cup that I'm talking about, the cup that has been filled with negativity and toxicity. You are now letting go of it. Yes, it's sad, it's going to be difficult, but at the end of the day, the past is in the past. Hold on to the future and present yourself with the present. Knight of Cups in reverse. Do not just hold on to that feeling that you had with this person, with this group, with this family member, with these friends. It's time to let go so that you can expect the unexpected when it comes to your happiness and being truly happy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, have a wonderful and a blessed day.